Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Naughton, Ontario, a small community just west of Sudbury. People began settling here in the late 1800s when the railway and nearby mining operations brought work and growth to the area. Naughton was named after a railway official, a common way small towns in northern Ontario got their names. Over the years, it became known as a family-friendly place with strong ties to both the mining industry and the surrounding natural landscape. The community is surrounded by lakes, forests, and trails, making it a great spot for outdoor activities year-round. You can still see signs of its past in older buildings and landmarks scattered throughout the area.
Thank you very much.
While it's close to the conveniences of Sudbury, Naughton has kept its small-town character. Whether you're stopping for a quick visit or taking time to enjoy the outdoors, Naughton offers a warm Northern Ontario welcome. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Naughton, Ontario. Thanks for watching.